Radha Wonderland. Today we have gone into a hotel because my father has some work to do. So okay guys, I'll give you just a little tour. This is our room.
तभी तो मिलेगा सही पोषण।
जब मेरे दांत स्ट्रॉन्ग तो मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग कोलगेट स्ट्रॉन्ग भी।
तू पहन के देख। नाइस। तेरे मॉइस्चराइजर ने जल्दी छुट्टी मार ली। पहली कोमल मुलायम।
So this is our sitting area. Okay, so this is for my dad's work and for my drawing and studying. Bed. This is our little tea section and this is our dressing area. And this is our bathroom. This is me having fun. गिर जाओ